So there we are. We have some tomato plants, we have some flowers, some chilies, hopefully germinating soon. And let's have a look outside. It's a gorgeous day again. Our raspberries are coming on lovely. Loads of flowers coming out already, so we'll have a bumper crop. Then we have lettuce leaf, lettuce, cabbage, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, spinach, more lettuce, and the same again, broccoli, celery, etc. So here's our, we have some strawberries, we have some sage and stuff, and this is normally our herbal garden. And we're going to put some nice plants in here. Good morning, Louise.
Good morning.
Say hello to your family.
Hi.
So that's our job today. And then over here, more raspberries, of course. We have our first raised bed in. And in here we have all sorts of goodies. Things coming up. So we put the netting on because the dogs were walking over it, obviously, as they do. So we have to get them to stop that nonsense. Hi Sally, how are you? Are you a good dog? Hi Ollie. Good dog. Say hello, 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 hello. Ah. Yeah. Right. There you go. That's it. That's us. Talk to you later. Bye.